What will happen to your body if you eat watermelon for 30 consecutive days over the course of a month? Watermelon is one of the most powerful fruits on planet Earth. And today I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to mention some important points that we should all know. Watch to the end and prepare to receive an incredible gift. A 60-year-old doctor who taught me what you should know. Firstly, it solves the problem of fatty liver. So anyone with a fatty liver should drink watermelon juice for 15 to 20 days. You'll feel a total difference in fat burning. After 15 days of drinking watermelon juice every day, you'll notice that your toilet bowl will turn yellow because it's melting fat. Watermelon's second point is indisputable. It helps with 3 diseases: varicose veins, high blood pressure, and poor blood circulation. Did you know that? A wonderful fruit with great health benefits. Before we go any further, tell me, do you usually buy watermelon for your home? Watermelon is very popular with overweight people because it allows them to lose a lot of weight. The golden point of watermelon is that it eliminates uric acid. Those who go to the gym and eat a lot of protein should pay attention to this point. Those who go to the gym and eat protein every day have to train perfectly to break down muscle fibers. Because if the muscle is not broken down, there is no muscle building and the proteins ingested are not used. This results in a serious uric acid problem. Are all rheumatisms caused by uric acid? Most of them, if not all. So does watermelon stop the action of uric acid? Uric acid is generated by excess protein. Excess protein generates purine, and excess purine generates uric acid. Uric acid triggers many diseases, especially arthritis and osteoarthritis. So break it down, and the most interesting thing is that it passes through and cleans the kidney filters. It's one of the best kidney remedies in the world. I could mention it all year round because there's so much, so I'll just mention a few so you can see the power of this remedy for cirrhosis of the liver, hepatitis, gallstones, colitis, fever, urinary inflammation, internal hemorrhoids, lack of appetite, rheumatism, gout, arthritis, liver failure, cirrhosis of the liver, difficult menstruation. In any case, the subject is very broad. But doctor, how do you use watermelon correctly and effectively? Now take a pen and paper and write down this super powerful watermelon seed tea for your body. Unfortunately, people tend to throw their seeds away for lack of knowledge. Are you one of them? If so, this will no longer be the case. First, remove all the seeds from the watermelon or buy them separately in health food stores. Then, boil the water. Simply add the crushed seeds to the hot water and boil for 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and wait 1 hour to consume the contents. It can be stored in a glass jar with a lid in the fridge and should be consumed at room temperature. 1 glass a day is enough to get all these benefits. Do not add sugar. This seed is often thrown away, but it can help us a lot. It protects the heart and maintains blood pressure levels. Seeds are fantastic for protecting against heart disease. Take it throughout the day for 30 days as a natural watermelon seed treatment to lose weight and reduce fatty liver. Now I'm going to teach you about uric acid. You will replace 1 meal a day with watermelon. I suggest having it for breakfast, but if you can't, you can have it in the afternoon. Eat 1 or 2 slices of watermelon very slowly for 30 days. You'll see surprising results. Do you accept the 30-day watermelon challenge? Come back and let me know what you think. I'll leave it at that. Big kiss. God bless you.